Hello, hope you're doing well in this pandemic. Hi, I'm Nidhi Singh, Assistant Professor, Amity Law School, Amity University, Lucknow. I will be delivering web session on the impact of corporate social responsibility during COVID-19 in India, which is being conducted by Into the Legal World this Sunday. The year 2019 has seen startling changes and additions to CSR laws in India. Parliament has also passed various amendments in strengthening the governance of corporate social responsibility. There was a lot of commotion, uh, that whether the government will impose any imprisonment on the non-compliance. Because as we all know, there is lack of due diligence and weak governance in case of corporate social responsibility, and thereby leading it to CSR frauds. Now, in this year, 2020, which is the year of ambiguity, which is the year of uncertainty almost in every sphere, more of such CSR frauds are on peak. Unfortunately, yes. Therefore, in this webinar, I will be discussing that how the law is tackling such frauds, how the policies are trying to seize it, how the frauds are being mitigated, right? Also, I would like to discuss in this webinar the proposed changes by the Parliament in the Companies Amendment Bill 2019 for all the gaps of the unspent amount by the organization in the name of CSR, for which they give any cliche explanation in their annual reports. And also, why CSR is not been included in Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Also, I would discuss certain trending career options in the corporate sector for all the students and aspirants. So, all this will be dealt in this webinar, which is going to be on Sunday. Block your calendar for 21st June. Make sure that your Sunday goes well read. Thank you.